Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Now, as promised, I also got the MagSafe or the MagBank Elite 10S from Vedder. This is the 10,000 milliamp hour version of the one that you saw in the previous video. Now this one also does says that it offers 20 watts power delivery. It is quite a bit bigger than the other one, but not by much. Again, it can be used with iPhone and Androids, which on Android you have to get some MagSafe compatible cases. Yeah, it is again quite small. Let's open it up, see what we have inside. It's not going to be that much different from the 5000 milliamp hour variant. Again, USB-C to USB-C charging cable to charge up the power bank and also other devices that do not support MagSafe. Alright, and inside the box, again, the manuals and the power bank itself. Again, only one physical charge port, the power button and the LED indicators. On the back, same design as the previous one. Let me bring it up. You can see a size comparison between these two. This one is a bit more wider and a bit chunky, as you can see. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but yeah, these ones are pretty useful to have with you. Charge them up, and if you have a phone that supports MagSafe, bring them with you. Okay, now also let's do a short test. Turn it on, attach the power bank to the back of your phone, and it begins charging. As you can see, no issues. Works pretty good. Again, held pretty securely. This one is a bit more heavier than the other one, so be careful not to jump up and down or jump around with your phone. It might fall off, even though the magnets are pretty strong. But yeah, snaps securely on the back, charges up the phone. What more do you need? Okay. Now, as I said, these are pretty useful to have in your backpack, in your pocket. You can have two of these, have them charged up. This one will charge your phone twice, from flat to 100. This one being a 5000 milliamp. If your phone has a 5000 milliamp hour battery, yeah, you can only charge your phone once with this one twice. But if you have a smaller battery capacity on your phone, you can get more juice out of these. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. You can subscribe if you like this type of content, and see you on the next one. Alright, thank you guys, and bye.